Hello and welcome to Royal Vibes. Prince Harry dealt hammer blow as old Etonian lord turns on Duke, adding insult to injury. On Monday, the House of Lords heard calls by one Labour peer to exclude Prince Harry and other non-working royals from the pool of people King Charles can choose from to stand in for him in case of illness or absence from the country. So guys, before we get right into the full story, please do ensure to subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the post bell notification to always stay notified whenever I post a new video. Consider liking the video and please watch it right up to the very end. Prince Harry and Prince Andrew are facing being removed from the list of royals eligible to stand in for King Charles III as councillors of state following an amendment put forward by Labour peer Lord Beckley. Anthony Guetterberg, 18th Baron Beckley, commonly known as Tony Beckley, agreed with the core of the bill, which would see two more members of the firm, that is Princess Anne and Prince Edward, added to the pool of royals the monarch can choose from when he needs two people to deputize for him in case of absence from the country or in case of illness. However, during the second reading of the Councillors of State Bill, he also proposed the Dukes of York and Sussex and any other person in the opinion of the Lord Chancellor has not in the immediate proceedings 2 years taken royal duties on a regular basis should be excluded from the roll. He said, "It is very necessary to ensure that the machinery of government continues when the monarch is abroad or indisposed." Questioning the positioning or the position of non-working royals possibly taking on the post of councillors, he added that, in terms of this bill, it quite rightly adds two more members, so presumably it can also exclude two members, who I would suggest are no longer working members. Lord Beckley had already expressed his doubts over Harry and Andrew retaining the title of Councillors of State despite no longer being senior members of the firm who carry out public duties. During a previous debate of the bill in the House of Lords last week, the peer said, "What is the position of Prince Andrew and Prince Harry, who no longer have the role to do royal duties? Can they be removed, or have they been removed, or will they be standing in for His Majesty even though they don't do royal duties?" Lord Beckley's position had insults to injury, in particular for Prince Harry. Commentator Richard Eden said, "Nothing but the Labour peer and the Duke of Sussex attended the same school." He wrote in the Daily Mail, "It will add insult to injury for Prince Harry that the peer who put forward an amendment at the House of Lords yesterday, trying to prevent him from ever representing the King as a Councillor of State, was a fellow old Etonian." During the debate on Monday, another peer, Lord Panic, described as curious the decision not to exclude Andrew and Harry from the list of possible councillors. Using a football metaphor, he said, "It is a curious feature of this bill to retain two people on the team sheet who are not going to play any part in the match, but of course I understand why that is." He then called on the government to undertake a review of the existing arrangements to see whether they are appropriate for the modern world. The bill was described on Monday by Lord True, the Lord Privy Seal, a practical solution necessary for the machinery of government. He added the royal household had confirmed that in practice, only working royals would be called upon to act as councillors, de facto excluding Prince Harry, Prince Andrew and Princess Beatrice. Speaking to the Upper House of Parliament, Lord True said, "The functions councillors of state undertake can include, for example, indicating assent to legislation, formally approving appointments, and providing authority for the affixing of the Great Seal to documents such as royal proclamations." The role can also include governing Privy Council meetings when necessary. The bill represents a practical solution and safeguard to ensure that the machinery of government can continue. The royal household can confirm that in practice, working members, I repeat that, of the royal family will be called upon to act as councillors of state, and that diaries will be arranged to make this practicable. The Earl of Wessex and the Princess Royal, he added, would undertake these roles of councillors of their lifetime, no matter which changes in the line of succession to the throne they take place. He added that By doing so, the bill will provide greater resilience in our constitutional arrangements by widening the pool of councillors of state. In accordance with the current law in place, the Regent Act of 1917 and 1953, the position of councillors of state can be filled by the sovereign spouse and the next four people in line of succession who are over the age of 21. Whenever needed by the monarch, two or more councillors can be drafted via letters patent to perform certain constitutional duties. The late Queen Elizabeth II did so in the month of May when she was unable to attend the state opening of Parliament. Currently, the councillors of state are Queen Camilla, Prince William, Prince Andrew, Prince Harry, and Princess Beatrice. So guys, with that we have come to an end of this episode. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, bye bye.